Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna go through how to fix unable to load history error on ChatGPT. If you have encountered this error, it's pretty simple to fix. First things you can try is log out of ChatGPT and log in into again, clear the cache and cookies on your browser, like Google Chrome, for example. These are some ways you can try. But what people are saying is that actually just changing your IP and Wi-Fi. If you're using VPN, then you will need to go ahead and change it to your location. Again, disable your VPN and go ahead and right-click on the screen and select Inspect, and then guide yourself to the Network tab. So the network tag can be found right there at the top. Click network. So you want to go ahead and find this B4 2023 April 27 time zone, and here you will see a remote address and you will see your IP address. If this doesn't match your computer IP address, then that's might be the problem. So you need to go ahead and check those out. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you can fix ChatGPT error. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.